Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to transfer a Wix website to a client. Whether you're a freelancer finishing a project or a business owner handing over the keys, these steps relate perfectly to each other to ensure a smooth transition of ownership and billing. First, you need to initiate the transfer from your dashboard. Log into Wix and find the site you want to move. Click the Site Actions button, the three dots, and select Transfer Site. This will open a window where you enter the client's email address. It is vital to make sure they already have a Wix account set up with that email so the invite lands in the right place. Next, you need to choose what exactly you are handing over. You'll see a few checkboxes, one for transferring the site ownership and another for transferring the premium plan and domain. If the client is taking over the billing, make sure those are checked. You can also choose to stay on as a co-owner or editor, so you can still help them with updates in the future without owning the account yourself. Once you hit Next, Wix sends a transfer invitation to the client. The final connected step is the client's acceptance. The transfer isn't official until the client opens their email and clicks Accept Transfer. At that moment, the site will disappear from your My Sites list and appear in theirs. If you transferred a premium plan, they'll be asked to enter their own credit card details to keep the subscription active for the next billing cycle. This relates directly to your security. Once they accept, you are no longer responsible for the site's costs or legal ownership. That is literally it. If this guide helped you successfully wrap up a project and hand it over, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if your client hasn't received a transferred email, and I will see you in the next video.